Very good morning, dear friends. Myself, Dr. Vikrant Sudhakar Padaikar. I am working as assistant professor in Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Jawahar, Palakkad. Welcome in the lecture series on the topic polymers. In this particular topic, we have seen the earlier the classification, then how we can prepare the addition polymers, and from the last video we have started to see how condensation polymers can be prepared. In that, first of all, we have seen the synthesis of polyester, that is terylene, then nylon 6 and nylon 66, their properties and uses. So in this particular session we are going to see the preparation, properties and uses of the condensation polymers, which are polyurethane, polycarbonate and phenol formaldehydes. So let us first revise the things that we have seen in the condensation polymers. These condensation polymers, which has at least two monomers which are having reacting functional groups, they react with each other and eliminates simple molecules like water, alcohol, etc. and they form the large molecule known as polymer. So they are formed by step reaction polymerization. So in which each step is independent of other, in which we have seen the for the polyester nylon 66 we have seen. So these monomer have two functional groups. They react in repeated manner and form the linear polymers. Already we have covered the synthesis or preparation part of polyester, that is terylene, nylon 6 and nylon 66. So in this particular session we are going to see the synthesis of polyurethane polycarbonates. So let us see first the preparation of polyurethane. So basically polyurethane, that is also being called as a carbamate. They are having the general formula RNH C double bond O OR dash. So basically if you see this particular formula, you will understand RNH C double bond O. So this is the part which has amide functionality, then C double bond O OR dash. So this particular part is having ester functionality. So these two functionality together will be forming urethanes. These compounds are called as a urethane because this structure is similar to the urea. This is also called as a carbamate. Then the linear polymer having carbamic ester linkage such as NH double bond O OR. So basically if we see how this urethane is prepared, first we will see how a urethane can be prepared, then we will see how the polyurethane can be prepared. So basically urethanes are prepared by reaction of alcohol with an isocyanates. So let us see the reaction. First, isocyanates. Isocyanates having structure R N double bond C double bond O. When this reacts with alcohol, so this is a nucleophilic addition takes place. The OH group attacks on this particular carbon, as we know that this particular carbon is electron deficient. So you can see there is a bonding between C and this particular O, and H goes to here towards H. So this is H which is coming from alcohol, and they form the urethanes. See this particular structure and what I have told you in this particular RNH C double bond O OR. So this is the structure of urethane. So in the first step, urethanes can be prepared by the condensation of alcohol and isocyanates. So this is basically addition reaction. Addition reactions में क्या होता है, जो भी reactants है दो वो add हो जाते हैं. There is no byproduct is formed in as such case. So this total alcohol is get added across the isocyanates. Then how we can prepare the polyurethanes from isocyanates. So let us see diisocyanates. It is having a structure like this. So both sides there is a at 2 and 6 position of toluene there is a isocyanate functionality. When this reacts with the ethylene glycols, we know that this particular ethylene glycol is also having this O as a nucleophilic in the nature. So it will attack on this particular carbon one ethylene glycol molecule attack on this particular carbonyl carbon, and at the both the side there is a reaction takes place and they form the polymeric compound. So let us see the structure of polyurethane. See the color change. C double bond O, then O CH2 CH2 OA. So this is a reaction which is taking place on both the sides. यहाँ भी, यहाँ के कार्बोनिल कार्बन पे भी रिएक्शन होगा और यहाँ के कार्बोनिल कार्बन पे भी इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल का अटैक होगा एंड बोथ द साइड द चेन विल रिपीट and chain will step up in the both the sides and they form a giant molecule known as polyurethane. So this is how polyurethane can be prepared by condensation of diisocyanates and ethylene glycol. So let us see properties. As these particular polymers are more flexible and having melting point around 150 degrees Celsius, which is लोअर एज कम्पेयर टू द पॉलीमेड्स. पॉलीमेड्स के जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट है वो अबाउट 250 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. So they are having lower melting point, polyurethane, but they are having very good uses. So what are the uses? Let us see uses. They are well known as a spandex. Okay, spandex उनको बुलाया जाता है because they are used for the preparation of corsets and girdles for women. जो भी वुमन यूज़ करते हैं गर्डल्स, गले में जो हार रहते हैं उसके जो मोती कह सकते हैं हम लोग या डिफरेंट पार्ट्स कह सकते हैं, कोरसेट्स और गर्डल्स प्रिपरेशन के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज एज अ इन एक्टिव स्पोर्ट्स वेयर फॉर मेन एंड वुमेन. स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन जो यूज़ पहनते हैं उनको बनाने के लिए भी उनको यूज़ किया जाता है. देन polyurethane foam is prepared by blowing air the molten polymer and used for upholstery material for sofa and beds. सोफ़ा एंड बेड्स के जो कुशन रहते हैं उनको बनाने के लिए भी उसका यूज़ किया जाता है, polyurethane in the form of foam. Then the rigid foam is also used as a insulating laminates and insulation cover in the refrigerator. Insulating material रेफ्रिजरेटर टीवीज में बनाने के लिए भी उसका यूज़ किया जाता है. देन कोटिंग फर्नीचर, रबर आर्टिकल्स टू रिमूव द रेजिस्टेंस for that particular material. So polyurethane is having very good applicability in that particular section. So we can see the polyurethane is having a very good uses because of its excellent properties. Now let us see what are polycarbonates. Basically if we see what are polycarbonates, so basically it is an ester of carbonic acid. Carbonic acid का जो structure है वो कैसा है, OH C double bond O OH. So it is prepared by the reaction of phosgene. phosgene का जो formula है वो COCl2 है with 2 equivalent of alcohol. Let us see the reaction, then you understood. So this is a phosgene. So this particular phosgene is reacted with the alcohol. As we can see, there are two chlorine groups which are attached to the carbonyl carbon. So once the alcohol attacks, the O will attack on this particular carbonyl carbon and there is a nucleophilic substitution takes place. So H from here and Cl from here will leave and you will eliminate two molecules of hydrogen chloride and you will get the formation of carbonate. So this OR group is coming from the alcohol. So this is called as a carbonates. First we have seen the preparation of carbonates, then we can see how polycarbonates can be prepared. So for preparation of polycarbonates we require some different molecules of phenols. These are substituted phenols which when react with the phosgene they will form the polymeric compound. So these are the polymeric compound which are obtained by the reaction of phosgene and phenol. They form the polymeric polycarbonates known as bisphenol. So these are the polymeric carbonates. Property: as they are lightweight, transparent in the nature, so they are having high impact strength and melting point also, and they are resistant to many different chemicals except alkali. Alkali के साथ वो reaction करते हैं, so they are having very good resistant power. So what are their uses? They are used for preparation of bike helmets. Helmets बनाने के लिए उसका use किया जाता है because they are having very high strength. So it is also used for the preparation of safety goggles and bulletproof glass as it is a transparent. So you can imagine what kind of strength these polycarbonate materials are having for preparation of safety goggles. हम जो laboratories में use करते to have the protection from the chemicals, या बुलेट प्रूफ ग्लासेस जो बनाते हैं उसके लिए भी ये पॉलीकार्बोनेट्स का मटेरियल यूज़ किया जाता है. Then phenol formaldehyde resins. We have seen the resins and we know that this is a type of the polymer based upon their properties. So basically phenol formaldehyde resin, नाम में ही है कि phenol and formaldehyde के रिएक्शन हो जाने के बाद जो कंपाउंड्स बनते हैं उसका नाम है phenol formaldehyde reaction. So phenol and formaldehyde, they react and they form the orthomethyl phenol and paramethyl phenol. As we know that OH, this particular phenol, this OH group is electron donating, so it is a ortho and para directing. So you will get the mixture of ortho product and para product by reaction of formaldehyde and phenol. So this is a condensation reaction. Okay, so this is the first step. This is ortho product, this is a para product. So this ortho, if you take the excess amount of phenol, then what happen, whatever the orthomethyl phenol is formed, that further reacts with the reactant which we take as a phenol in acidic condition, and they form the compounds like this. So there is a condensation, we can say this particular reaction, H from here and OH from here leaves, then there is a chain extension reaction takes place. So this particular product in again undergo the acidic condition and it will link in the form of this pattern and it form the polymer known as Novalac. So let us see how this reaction is formed. This particular compound again react with the same compound in acidic medium. So this is the first molecule and this is the second molecule. So this is how the reaction takes place and the chain growth in the sequential manner, in the repeated manner, and it form the polymer that is being known as Novalac in the acidic condition. Then the polymerization of these monomers, if it is a, this is a linear condensation. If it is a crossed one, then we get the resol resins. How it is formed, see the structure. So this is a mixture of ortho and para. If it is present, it will form the crossed completely we can say linear coplanar structure that is being called as a resol resin. So it is having very good applicability. You can see this particular is phenol formaldehyde resin is used for the making of casing and electronic items in radio, cameras, telephones, phonographs. They are also used as a good laminating material for the papers and wood, and it is also used for preparation of ion exchange resins. So this phenol formaldehyde resin is having very good applicability. The cross-linked polymers are also used in the very good ratio. So go through this particular condensation polymers. There are 6 types what we have seen. See their properties, uses and preparation part. That is also very important. Thank you very much for this particular session. See you in the next session with some another topics from the polymer.